Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 21 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. On the 21st day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's a die set. Yay! I love a good die set. This one is Floral Squares. Love. This is reminiscent of a small die of the month, but that one had different shapes. Look at this. So this one you can really have fun, especially if you love geometric shapes on your cards. This is very easy because you could use this, oh, I may do that. But this will layer up here. So much fun, so pretty. Great job, Spellbinders. Let's take a look at my example. Here is my December 21st example. This is a 4-inch square top folding card, and I just really used these squares to help finish my card. On my example, I'm using all Spellbinders cardstock. The cream color you're seeing here, that is Spellbinders Alabaster. I have Alabaster here, here, and behind here. The blue, Cosmic Sky. This dark yellow, that's Spellbinders Tuscan cardstock. The light yellow, that is chamomile. And then this mid yellow, that is beeswax. These are all Spellbinders cardstock. So they all came together. I was going for this tiled look, like 4 tiles within a tile. Just having fun with a layered geometric card. I think it's adorable. Notice I didn't put a sentiment. I just couldn't. And then I finished the whole thing off with some gold mix gems. With the die, first I cut out in Alabaster, the cream color, just a plain square. Then I used some Spellbinders yellow tape and then tape the back. And then I cut the Cosmic Sky. That's the blue background for the floral. This gives you the floral frame to build on. Here are the flowers. That's the big one. And then topped with the small one. And then these are those little buds. And these are the centers. I did use that center one there. That's Spellbinders Timber cardstock. But I did put a gold mix gem on the top. So this is fabulous. If you love this, you have the advent calendar. This is your first time seeing it. And you're like, oh, that's really cute. Because this really gives you an elegant card. And it's not hard to make. There is a die set at Spellbinders, which is currently on sale for a steal. This is called the Floral Mini Tiles. This gives you something close to this. So this one is a square. Over here you get diamond, you get hexagon, teardrop, and then this, I guess that's like a hourglass look. And you get the same florals to build on. If you have this set, this is a nice addition to it. If you only have the advent calendar and you love this look, you can go further with it. Here is my example of this one, the Floral Mini Tiles. So you see, I could have done the same colorway and use squares here. In this instance, I'm using Essential Diamonds. Those dies are currently on sale. That's this set. This is half off right now at Spellbinders. So you could go with this. Continuing over here, I'm using Everlasting Squares. The largest square in here is 4 1/4 inch. I am at 4 inches. So I still have another border that I could use, if I wanted to go bigger. But I think it looks good layered the way I did. And all I did was just play with these layers to get all of this going on. I picked out one of the squares in here that would fit these 4 tiles with space. I could have also done a smaller size down and push everything together closer to, this still has a space, but I could have gone even tighter, meaning the ends are touching. But I liked the space look. It gives that real tile look, so I like that. So this is an option. If you're loving this and you didn't know that this existed, there is more play with this geometric look, okay? So here is my card done. I like it like this, but if you wanted a sentiment, I went looking and I thought that is gorgeous. This is bisque cotton card with Better Press bark ink. And the sentiment I'm using, this is also on sale, half off. This is Sentiments of Wonder, and I'm using You Brighten My Day. Love this set. I will link the holiday sale video happening at Spellbinders right here because it's a really good sale. This set I love, and I know my writing looks awful. I can't read it at this size backwards. But these sentiments give you this look where you have a card, you don't want a big sentiment. This is just a 4-inch card, but look how this fits perfectly. And I think these sentiments in this Sentiments of Wonder is both elegant, but yet small. And sometimes you just want that. There is a stamped version to this. I will also link it below. I'm linking everything I'm talking about here below anyway. But there's a stamped version to this. But to cut it out with the coordinating die, you'd have to get the better press with the die. There is the stamps, so you could do the stamp, heat and boss, but you're going to have to get this. Fussy cutting this is not going to be easy unless you have a, what is the thing called? Unless you have a brother scan and cut. That could probably do all these sentiments for you. I'm loving the look of a, you know, the die, the press plate, the feel of it, and then the curved edges all the way around. This is gorgeous. That's another option that you can work with. I kind of like it just like this, but I know a lot of people love their sentiments, so there's a sentiment. The bisque cotton card works well with the Spellbinders alabaster cardstock. All right, crafters, that is it for December 21st. Definitely check out the holiday sale. I will link the video at the end as well, because if you love this, then this is a by far winner. I believe this is $10. That's a steal. This is normally $27 as a past Kit Club item, and you can only purchase it at Spellbinders. So you can extend all of this geometric fun with the florals further. This is a great way of making beautiful cards. I'm loving this colorway. I'm definitely loving this colorway because purple is my favorite. And still, I brought in alabaster. 2 thumbs up. Alrighty, crafters. Until December 22nd, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.